Is this head and shoulder about to play out? I mean, this is all I'm seeing on Twitter is people calling for $160 and $150 and so on. I mean, the bearish emotions continue building up. Everyone calling for $160. Do I think that's going to happen? Let's find out in this video. If you're new to the channel, a huge welcome to you. My name is Gibmoses and I do daily cryptocurrency analysis backed by data. So it's not me trading based on emotions or hope. It's all straight up data from the textbook onto the charts. So if this is something that interests you, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. So right here, I'm drawing our support line, and I want you guys to focus closely at these wicks right here. So you guys see these skinny lines, those two skinny lines. I want you guys to focus on those. We have a bunch of these. And what do these indicate to investors? So these are people or new investors, I should say, getting liquidated, getting stopped out, or investors panic selling. That's exactly what's happening. Emotions just repeating over and over again at this support line. Same thing over here, same emotions, people feeling fearful, emotional, thinking that okay, we're gonna go to $90 or that Litecoin is heading towards $50. Emotions are repeating over and over again when we hit the support line, and that's exactly what's happening now. No, nothing different. I mean, investors are emotional when it comes to trading, and that's exactly what's happening now. And you can tell, okay, we might go for a wick to that 180, just like I mentioned in my previous video, creating one of these wicks, making it look like that, liquidate people, trigger stops, causing more fear. That way, new investors sell early. And little do they know is we're heading higher. And how high? Let's find out. So we might, like I mentioned, go towards that 180, trigger stops, liquidity, all that fun stuff. We might, it's a big might. And up we go towards $300. Uh, Amazing target. I did a video on this previously and nothing changed. Okay. So we have a lot of confluence at $300. We have a lot of confluence indicating that this is the bottom. So there's no reason to be panicking unless, of course, okay, this is a big if, and I don't see this happening. This is a big if we break, and even if we do break below the support line, this indicates that there's high selling pressure. There's always going to be a retest, so price is always going to come back for a retest. It has to retouch this line once again. If we break through, it has to come back for a retest. I don't see that happening, so I'm going to cancel that scenario. It just doesn't make sense technical wise, harmonic wise, Elliott wave wise. We need to get this wave up. It's We need it. Okay, it needs to be done. It just doesn't make sense for us to go towards that $60 mark. Makes no sense. So there's an 80% chance or 90% chance we go up here, and then we have that 10% chance we go down here. So it's up to you what you want to do. And guys, bonus gift. So I've been seeing a lot of good feedback, positive comments, the likes. You guys are killing it. This is my gift to you, for you guys for keeping it up. I'm gonna be adding this coin. I just found about it. I'm gonna be sharing it with you. This coin I'm adding to my portfolio. Okay. So once again, thank you for you guys for keeping up the support. Keep it up. I'm gonna keep up with the support, or I'm gonna keep up with the content. I'm gonna give you the best content out there. No hype, no bullshit, straight up data. Whatever the data tells me, I'm sharing it with you. So right here we have PSV. This coin right here, I'm adding to my portfolio. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to add it or not. Just looking at this, excuse me. Looking at this, it has so much potential, guys. I'm not even, like I said, I'm not hyping nothing up. Let's go ahead and find our targets. So just like Litecoin, this is our support line, right? This is our support line. So we're support line, price is always going up, support line, and so on, okay? There's demand, support line, demand, same thing. There's always demand at the support line. So what does that tell me? Simple. We're heading for a new higher high. It's time to break out from this pennant right here. So it might do its thing in the next coming days. And next thing you know is we're heading higher. So let's find out how high. I'm going to go ahead, draw our Fibonacci tool, just like that. Bingo. And then we're going to draw our Fibonacci from high to low. Bingo. If you guys don't know, I'm going to be making a video hopefully this week. Oh, what's going on? So this week on how to use this tool right here. So if you're interested, stay tuned. The video is coming out soon. Monday. Monday it is. So right here, we have some nice confluence, 1272 and the 2.618. Right here, we have our 618 or 1.618 Fibonacci level and the 886. Therefore, taking profits, you're going to be taking profits at the $368, which should bring you a whopping 68% return. Not bad. Your second take profit should be around 683, which is 200% return without leverage. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. And I'll see you guys at the next breakout.